Level up your content. The power of video editing. Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Casey Neistat and let's talk video editing. You got that raw footage, right? Good. But raw ain't enough. It's like filming a killer sunset and never sharing it. Editing, that's where the magic happens. Turn those clips into a story, a masterpiece. And guess what? You don't need fancy software or a Hollywood budget. We're going pro for free. Think of editing like building a house. You got your bricks, your wood, your nails. That's the footage. Editing is how you put it all together. Make it flow, make it pop, make it yours. And trust me, once you learn these skills, you're opening doors. Better content, more views, maybe even a career. So, let's do this. First things first, you need the right tools. Don't worry, we're going the free route today. Two awesome options, DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Express. Both are packed with features, totally free. Download one, get it set up, and let's dive into the good stuff. Now, each software has its own quirks, its own layout. Don't get overwhelmed. We're starting with the basics, the stuff that applies everywhere. Once you got that down, explore, experiment. That's how you find your style. Alright, software's ready, time to import that footage. Drag and drop, easy peasy. Now you're looking at your timeline, this is where the magic happens. Think of it like a storyboard. You'll be arranging clips, trimming them down, putting them in order. Start by watching everything through. Get a feel for the story you want to tell. Then it's all about cutting. Get rid of the fluff, the dead air, the stuff that doesn't move your story forward. Remember, less is more. Keep it tight, keep it engaging. Now let's talk cuts. The bread and butter of editing. You got your basic cut, just joining two clips together. Simple, effective. But don't be afraid to get creative. Try a J-cut, where the audio from the next clip starts before the video. Or an L-cut, video first, then audio. Adds a professional touch. Another pro-tip cutaways. Got a shot of someone talking? Cut away to what they're talking about. Keeps the visuals interesting, adds context. Remember, editing is about guiding the viewer's eye. Keep things moving, keep them hooked. Section 5. Transitions and effects, adding flair to your story. Alright, you're cutting like a pro. Now let's add some flair. Transitions. They're how you move between clips smoothly. Fades, wipes, cross dissolves, the options are endless. But don't go overboard. Too many transitions can be distracting. Effects are like spices. Use them sparingly to enhance the flavor. Color correction can make your footage pop. Speed ramps can add drama. But remember, less is more. You want your story to shine, not be overshadowed by fancy effects. Section 6. Audio essentials, sounding like a pro. Audio, so often overlooked, but crucial for a pro video. Clean up that background noise. Add some music to set the mood. Make sure your dialogue is clear and balanced. Most editing software has built-in audio tools. Use them. Pro tip: sound design. Add subtle sound effects to enhance the visuals. Footsteps, door slams, ambient noise. It's all about creating an immersive experience for the viewer. Section 7. Titles, text, and graphics. Enhancing visual storytelling. Time to add some text. Titles, captions, lower thirds. They provide context, introduce speakers, keep your audience engaged, keep it clean, keep it legible. Don't be afraid to experiment with fonts and styles. Graphics can also elevate your video. Use them to illustrate points, present data, or just add visual interest. Lots of free resources online for graphics and templates. Get creative. Section 8. Exporting and sharing, showcasing your masterpiece. You've done it. Videos edited, looking sharp. Time to export. Choose the right settings for your platform. YouTube, Instagram, Vimeo, they all have their own specs. Don't worry, your software will have presets. Now share that masterpiece with the world. Upload it, write a killer description, use relevant keywords, engage with your viewers in the comments. Your video editing journey doesn't end at the export button. Section 9. Keep creating. Embrace the journey of video editing. So there you have it. The basics of professional video editing, all using free software. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, to learn from others. The more you edit, the better you'll get. Now go out there and create something awesome. And don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. Peace.